Wagwan peeps, this is Ricardo Campbell, farmer. Up on the farm today, still trying to get some plowing done. It's been raining, so the plowman couldn't do too much plowing. But I'm just here doing some thinking of what to do next. I'm going to be planting some cassava soon, and some ginger and turmeric. But I think I'm going to start with the Scotch bonnet pepper here first. Have to make the row beds next. That's what the plowman doing. Then have to spray the weeds so it can come back. And then I'm going to start down there, all the way down there. I'll put up some corn barrier. And then I'm going to start growing cassava and ginger down there. So, it's because of the rain. Things are kind of slowing down now. As I said before, I did find my pond in the back. I found a pond so we don't need water. Big old pond. And on top of the mango trees, that's all the way down there. I actually found another tree of fruit. Ackee. Ackee is the #1, ackee and saltfish, the #1 Jamaican dish for breakfast. And here is the ackee tree. Let me see if I see some ackee. People took them all though. But I think I saw a few on there. Oh, there go a couple up top. You could see. It's a nice big ackee tree, but they took them all. So I'll have to wait for it to rebear. You see 2 ackee left. And then the pond is over there, so yeah man, it's a big pond. I'm gonna just have to clean it out. And so I'm waiting for my engineer to come. His name is Joel. He's gonna be the one that's doing the ground crop. He's from Cuba. He's been here about 5 years. Loving Jamaica, man, he said. And so he's going to be in charge of my ginger, my cassava, my turmeric, and our sweet potato. That's what we're going to distribute through this company called Janpro. They're the distributors that's going to pick up the products once it harvests. They'll pay us, and then they go on about them duties, which is to deliver it to the sources that they have contracts with. Which for the cassava, one of them is red stripe beer, and the ginger and turmeric, they have other products that they also export overseas. So I'm just waiting for Joel. I think that's him coming now. And we're going to go through how to secure the gate. We're going to put up the security gate. And then we're going to see how we're going to clean out this pond. And then we need to buy the cassava sticks. And then we need to start putting down our organic fertilizer. I'm using chicken manure and ash. And then we're going to put the minerals in and the nutrients, which is calcium nitrate, magnesium nitrate, phosphorus. You know, the ones you need. So that's where we are. And as you can see, this is Joel coming down right now. Again, I said he's from Cuba. And he's been in Jamaica living for about 5 years. Love this place, man. He has his own little farm too. He has one of those houses where the outside look like different from the inside. When you walk in the inside, it's like a palace. He does construction and farming. Good guy to know. So, this is where we are. I'll be sending you another video. Still need those investors, Ricardo Campbell. Phone number is 376 1027. 376 1027. That's an 876 area code for Jamaica. And then I also have American line, Florida, 786-206-1544. 786-206-1544. Yes, man. Peace. God bless.